Hi. In this video, we will discuss about different types of currents. We have three types of currents, that is convection current, conduction current and displacement current. Coming to conduction current, first one, conduction current. It requires conduction current. It requires a conductor. It requires what? A conductor. Okay. It requires a conductor. Conductor consisting of large number of free electrons. Large number of free electrons. Next, coming to the convection current. Convection current. Convection current. Convection current doesn't require conductor. It doesn't require conductor. Means what? It is the current not flowing through the conductor. It is the current flowing through the insulating medium. Insulating medium such as liquids, rarefied gas and vacuum. Example for this one is nothing but what? Example for convection current is nothing but the beam of electrons through a vacuum tube. Beam of electrons through a vacuum tube. Okay, it is the convection current, or else current through the insulating medium is nothing but our convection current. Conduction current requires what? It requires conductor. And it satisfies Ohm's law, that is what? J equal to sigma into E. So as it is conductor, we need to consider what? That is directly related to this conductivity. Next, go for what? Third one, that is displacement current. Displacement current. So this is conduction current density, that is Jc equal to sigma into E, and displacement current is the current through the dielectric medium. It is the current through the dielectric medium. It is what? Current through dielectric medium, or else current through free space. Electromagnetic wave is traveling in free space with the help of what? This displacement current. So that's why displacement current is nothing but what? Current through the dielectric medium, like free space. Free space is the example for perfect dielectric. Displacement current produced due to time varying fields. Time varying field produces what? Our displacement current. Displacement current density is given by JD is equal to dou D by dou T, or else it equal to what? Epsilon dou E by dou T. Means what? This time varying electric field produces our displacement current. Conduction current is the current through the conductor. We can call current through conductor is nothing but conduction current. Current through the liquids such as rarefied gas or vacuum tubes, we have what? A current called convection current. Displacement current is nothing but the current through the dielectric conductor insulating material or insulator. Current through insulator is our convection current. Current through conductor is conduction current. Current through dielectric medium is displacement current. And we will discuss about general expression for current. Okay, how we can define the current? Current is defined as what? Current through the given area is nothing but what? Charge passing through that area per unit time. Charge passing through the given area per unit time. Means what? I is equal to dq by dt. I equal to what? dq by dt. Means what? That is d by dt. Q can be written as what? dq means we can write dq as what? Rho v dv. Rho v dV. Q equal to integral rho v dV. dq equal to what? Rho v equal to dq by dV. So that's why dq equal to what? Rho v into dV. That means rho v dt. dV can be written as what? Dx dy dz. Let us consider current is flowing along z direction for the given area. Given area is ds. Let us take ds as dx dy, and dz is normal to this differential surface area, and current is flowing through rho v, and let us take this as ds, differential surface area. We can write this one as what? Dz by dt. Our current is flowing along z direction. In that case, rho v ds and dz by dt is nothing but the velocity, rate of change of the, or else distance per unit time, or else displacement of the charge, okay, with respect to time, is nothing but our velocity along z direction, that is uz. Rho v ds uz. It is what? I by ds. I by ds. I equal to dq by dt. Rho v. So that is nothing but what? I by ds, or else, okay, I by ds is equal to what? Rho v into uz. That is current per unit surface area, is nothing but current density, that is rho v into uz. J is along, if current is along z direction like this, if current is along y direction, we can write rho v into uy, and if current is along x direction, rho v into ux. In general, the expression for J is what? Rho v into u. This is the general expression for what? Current density. From what? The definition of current, that is I equal to dq by dt. Okay, or else here we can take di by ds. I will modify a little bit, modify this one, di by ds. Di equal to dq by dt. Here also di equal to di. That means if this time changes, charge changes, then current also changes. That is di. Here also di. That is di by ds. Rho v into uz. That means what? Current density is changing. Current density is nothing but what? Current per unit surface area. If this surface area changes, current passing through that area also changes. That's why I consider like this. So basically take like this, I equal to what? Q by t. Then di equal to what? Dq by dt. Di equal to what? Dq by dt. Then simplify this one. This is what? General expression for current density. And relationship between current and current density is given by what? Current density is nothing but what? Current per unit surface area. If this area changes, current changes. That's why J equal to what? Di by ds. Then di equal to what? J dot ds. Then I equal to what? Integral J dot ds. Remember one thing, current is the scalar quantity, whereas current density is the vector quantity. Okay. This is all about convection, conduction and displacement currents and their relations and general expression for current density. We will meet in next class. Thank you.